Hey guys, so I'm sure the factory set the Galaxy S24 or others. So by doing this, it's going to erase all the data and go back to like when you first bought it. To do this is pretty simple. First, just swipe on the top right. Press on Settings, the gear icon. Scroll down. Press on General Management. Scroll down to the bottom and you're going to press on Reset. Scroll down to the bottom. Press on Factory Data Reset. So by doing this, you're going to revert your phone back to like when you first bought it. So once again, it's going to warn you that anything not backed up is going to be erased. So your photos, all that stuff. For any apps that were not pre-installed, they're also going to be removed. If you go to that, press Reset. Put in your PIN. Press Done. Press on Delete All. So let's give it a minute. Yep, we're on the welcome screen. From here, you're going to hold down Volume Down and the Power button. Turn it off. Press Power Off. Okay guys, thanks for watching.